This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Apple Reminders lets you create lists and time or location alerts simply. Open the Reminders app on your iPhone or iPad to begin. Tap New Reminder to add a task and type the title. Use the Details button to set date, time, or location triggers. You can add priority, notes, and URLs to each reminder for clarity. Enable iCloud in settings to sync reminders across devices using the same Apple ID. Organize everything from simple tasks to recurring routines with this app. Tap Add List and choose a name and color for easy organization. Create dedicated lists for home, work, shopping, or projects to keep tasks separate. Tap New Reminder inside a list and use details to specify date, time, and repeat options. Drag reminders between lists or use Edit to rearrange order manually when priorities change. Use subtasks to break tasks into steps and use tags to filter items across multiple lists quickly. Archive or delete completed lists to keep your view uncluttered. Share lists with contacts to collaborate on shared tasks in real time. Open a list, tap the three dots, and choose Share to invite others via messages. Use Siri to add reminders with voice by saying phrases like "set a reminder at 6 p.m." Turn on location-based reminders to trigger alerts when you arrive at or leave a place. Enable notifications in settings and set a custom alert sound for important reminders you must not miss. Review completed reminders and export or clear history monthly to stay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.